As part of the first step, I'll create GCP Artifacts Registry repository to store the WP Cloud Run container images. And please note, everything I'll be doing, I've created a completely fresh project for this. So everything you'll be seeing, everything I'll be seeing, you will also be seeing for the first time. So what we want to do as part of the first step, I'll go to look for Artifacts Registry. I'll go there. First, of course, I'll need to enable the Artifacts Registry API. And of course, this is something that you will only be doing for the first time. So once this is done, I'll simply click on Create a Repository. And I'll call it WP Cloud Run. And it's very important that Docker is selected as the format. I'll leave the mode as standard. And everything that I'll create in a single region. So for this, I'll use Europe West 4 in Netherlands because I'm Amsterdam based. Encryption will be the default one, which is everything is encrypted. I'll leave immutable image tags as disabled. Another interesting thing is that later on, I'm not going to do it now, but later on you can enable, like for example, to delete old artifacts, because you can upload a lot of images and these will incur costs. So I'll just click Create here. And once this is created, you have your repository. And another cool thing that you can also do is turn on vulnerability scanning, which I'm not going to do now, but basically once you have this enabled, all of the potential security vulnerabilities as part of the container image will be propagated to the command security command center as part of Google Cloud, and you can address those security vulnerabilities and warnings. And if you wanted to set this up, you would just click on the repository and click on the setup instructions. But I'll do all of this in the next step. And this is it for the step one. It's simple as this.